aerial bridge on Channel 16 to Paul R Tregurtha.
Aerial bridge, go to 10, please.
Paul?
Good afternoon, Paul Tregurtha.
Oh, good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Oh, it's beautiful out here. Fantastic.
Yeah, I gotta wonder if something's wrong.
Yeah, well, I looked at the weather. You're still going to get your 40-degree nights.
Copy that. Well, it sounds like you're on your way in. Mile and a half again, Cap?
Oh, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bridge going back, 1-6.
Duluth aerial bridge on 16, the Lee A Tregurtha.
This is the aerial bridge. Go to 10, please.
Channel 10.
Afternoon, Lee Tregurtha.
Good afternoon. We're back.
Go a mile and a half out.
Cap, will get things going. Thanks for the call.
Aerial bridge, Lee A Tregurtha.
Yeah, it looks like you're coming in fast enough. I think I'll stay up for you.
Roger. We'll keep her coming. Thanks.
Aerial lift, SV Nemesis.
Aerial bridge, go ahead.
We're going to hang out by the south pier here and slip out after the freighter. Is that okay?
Copy that. Thanks for the call. This is sailboat, right?
Yes, sailing vessel Nemesis.
Thank you. If I come down, I'll stop at your height in case that happens.
Copy. Nemesis out.
Duluth area lift bridge. This is sailing vessel after you, looking for an outbound. I'm just coming out of Lakehead if you see me. I don't know if I can make this lift.
Roger that. Just know that the Tregurtha is coming in. This other sailboat out here is going to wait till they come in.
All right, we'll stand by.
Arkansas to the Lee.
Lee A to the Arkansas.
Oh, which channel you want to work, Cap?
Let's work 6.
Channel 6.
And Lee and 6.
Yeah, Arkansas 6, Cap, how do you read?
Arkansas, Lee, I got you loud and clear now.
Alright, you want me to head out there or stand by in here?
Just stand by in there, and I'm just going to have you follow along. If you could kind of stay, I guess, back by my hip. I'm not going to take a line from you unless I need you.
Okay, I'll go side to side as needed for turns.
All right, Roger.